Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we'll be making a beautiful painting on a mini canvas which you can create for home decor and gift purpose. And if you are watching my video first time, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for upcoming notifications. Now let's jump into the video. For this we need acrylic colors, a mini canvas and some brushes. So first of all, let's paint the background. Here I am mixing purple and white together to make a lighter shade and applying directly on the canvas. Now adding some white streaks with a dry brush. After this, I have made a rough drawing of two birds sitting on a tree stem, which will help us to paint easily. Now I am painting the stem with brown color. And here let's paint the birds with neon yellow and green. Now adding some black on the stem to give more realistic look. To make the feathers, I am using black and white paint. Also, don't forget to use fine detailing brush for making details. After painting the birds, let's make the leaves on the stem. Here I am adding some yellow highlights on the leaves. And now it's time for the flowers and moon. And in last, let's give some neonic pink touch to the birds. Now it's ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please hit the like button. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. Have fun guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.